This is an Alberta emergency alert. Environment Canada has issued a possible tornado alert. This alert is in effect for Lethbridge County and Taber. Doppler radar is tracking a rotating severe thunderstorm 10 kilometers north of Raymond, moving north at 55 kilometers per hour. This dangerous storm is likely producing very large hail and may produce a tornado over the next 30 minutes. If you are in the affected area, be prepared to take shelter immediately in a basement or reinforced structure if a tornado develops. Get low and put as many walls between you and the storm as possible. Stay away from windows, doors and outside walls. If you are on the highway and cannot avoid the tornado, seek shelter in a ditch or ravine. For details visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.